Trashidelek. That's all. Okay. That's it. Hola. Then I will suggest you to please bring your pen and book on the side to take down notes. Okay? That's all. Now you can repeat after me, okay? In mute. D. Ah. 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 Don't feel shy to practice it, okay? Just say it. Ah.
D. Ah. Ah.
Oh yeah, mute chair, mute. Please mute. That's it. Tene. Ha. Ha 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 ha. Like this. Okay? Ha. Oh, 빼요. 도대체. tene. Ah. 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 That's it. Okay? 연결입니다. 아. 아. 되네. 아. 아. 되네. 아. 아. Okay, very good. 빼하고 숨었어. Let's try. Yeah. Adam 라인다. Adam. Yeah. 딜로탕.
라소. 아. 하. 아.
빼하고 숨었어. 빼하고 숨었어. 투지치. 빼하고 득. 라서. 되네야. 다왈라인다. 다왈라. Try 치다.
아, 하, 아,
다왈라 똑섬 개발서 오르다. 아. 하. 아.
아, 하, 아,
빼하고 숨었어. 투지치. 다왈라. 프랭코이스 라인.
무슨,
Try 치르나. Ben Chrysler, unmute. Ben Chrysler, you are still mute. You can unmute and try it. Frank voice. Sorry, if my Frank Chrysler. Yeah, Rangdrilla in the Rangdrilla. Try it. Yeah, Rangdrilla in the Rangdrilla. 빼하고 숭숭. 오케이. 하고 숭숭. 되네야. 엘렌라 in the 엘렌라. Try 치기인데.
Ah. Ah. Ha. Ah.
Sumba the Digma song, the third one, you should like open your throat very big and release it. Ah,
Ah.
that's it. 아고승아, 빼하고. So we don't need to call everyone. I will call randomly because we have so many here. So rest of us can imitate me. It's the best way of learning. Okay? Now that you already hear the word sound, I will tell you little difference between them. Okay? When you say ah, the throat is squeezed into very small and then make the sound and quickly close again without air coming out. Ah, like this. That's the right way to say it. How goes it? Okay? No aspiration. How goes it? No air coming out. Now when we say the second one, Very strong air coming out. Strong air. 하고서 like this. Please exaggerate it a little bit more to break your own language mouth movement habit. Exaggerate it a little bit. 하고서 Then the third one, when you say this, your throat becomes big and like this. And the air is very slow and steady. If you feel it. You can do it with the candle also. You will notice it. Okay? That's it. So I will read it one more time. Ah! Ha! That's it. So these three are the very important sound. Okay? Three root sound, let's say. The root, three base sound. So please recognize it and difference between them. Okay? Very good. Well, why I'm saying this is very important? Because all the other sound comes under these three categories. If you know these three well, all the other sound comes under these three category on the same pitch. If I give you some example of here, ah, ka, cha, ta, pa, sa, like this. You don't know this, but I'm just introducing. Second one, ha, ha, cha, ha, pa. You can see the similarity. The third one, ka, nga, cha, nya, ta, like this. Okay, that's why I'm saying these three are very important. That's it. One more time. Ah, ha, that's it. Very good. So now let's try. Yeah. Mikila in the Mikila. Mikila, di karire. Very good. Di karire. Di. Peago, Mikila. Very good try. Tujiche. Thank you. Lasso. Teneya. Hedila in the Hedila. Hedila, try chetan.
Ah. Ha.
Peago. Very good. Peago sung. Tujiche. Peago sung. Tujiche. Hedila. Yeah, last try in that. Tene. Lukala in the Lucasla. Try chetan.
Ah. Ha.
Peago sung. Tujiche. Now we will go to the next one. Okay? As you can see in the picture, here candle with the fire. The candle fire didn't move. There is no air coming out. When you say very strong, it will blow out the candle. Then when you say very slow air, it will move the fire. That much air coming out. Slow and steady. That's it. Well, very good. Now let's try writing it down, okay? Please try this. And when you write down, read it simultaneously. Make a habit. Ah, like this. Ha, like this. Ah, like this. Make a sound when writing simultaneously. Hmm? Oh, yeah. All after all. Very good, very good. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Kedua. Hmm. Ah, ha, ah, like this. Okay, very good. Now we're going to the next page. Agosuma. Hmm? Yeah, dini di inda. 6630008 inda. Yeah. Di khare re. Kogi Mindu, we cannot hear you, I think. Pe agosung song. Pe agosung song. Di khare re. Oh yeah. Di.
아,
Hmm? Ah, pe agosung song. Tujiche. That's it. Very good. Pe agosung song. Okay. Now let's introducing new word here. Okay. Sa. As you can see, it's same as ah. Okay. Hmm? Repeat after me. How goes one? Sa. Sa. Saregama bazanida. That one. Sa. Like this. Okay. Hmm? Oh yeah. No. Sa. That's there. Okay. Then we have here Ra. 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 As a rainbow. Ra. Ra. Hmm? Okay. Then we have here Ma. 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 Hmm? This dot is also part of it. Of course, ma. Ma. You see here this dot with the ma. That's you have to write down this. Of course, ma. All together is ma. Okay. Then we have here ha. 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 Please imitate me. Okay. Ha. Ha. With the soft air coming out when I say these three words because this is category. Akosuma, hmm? That's it. Ra, ma, ha. Very good. Hmm? Yangarinda, one more time. Sa, ra, ma, ha. Hmm? Okay, very good. Also, Okay. Let's write them down. Oh, come on. Here, how to write sa here. Try it. It's worth it. Okay? It's worth it. Try it. You see first step here, second step here, third step, fourth, fifth, like that. Okay? Please try it. It's worth it. Hola. Sa, ra, ma, pa. Like, okay? Yeah, let's try. Tupten DVC in the Tupten DVC. You wanna try?
Lakela.
Hmm.
So, which one?
D.
Disare. Sa.
D.
Rale.
Ra, soft. Apa semua?
Ra. Di. Ma. Re.
Fail.
Ma.
D.
Di. Ba. Re.
Ba mare. Ba mare.
Ba.
Soft.
Ba. Ba.
Mm. Keep in mind, this is not ba. This is pa. You can hear the
Ba.
difference. Pa, ba, pa, ba. Ako semua? This is pa, soft.
Sola.
That's it. I have seen this student or learners make this mistake, learning this as a ba, but I'm correcting it. Ako semua? Di ba mare, di pa, soft. Soft air coming out. Pa, like this. Because we say pe as a Tibet, we don't say b, right? So pa, like okay. That's all. 빼하고 투지체 톱된라. Yeah, the name
Digital.
Bruce in the Bruce Lee la. That's all. Try cheronan.
Sa, ra,
Di digma
ma,
song. Sa.
sa,
Hmm?
sa,
Hmm?
ma, ra, ma, pa.
빼하고 Bruce la 투지체. 파 빼하고 숭숭. Yeah, inala in the inala. Inala.
Yeah, I'm here.
That's all.
Sa,
빼하고.
ra, ma,
음.
pa,
바 말에 바.
pa,
soft. 바. That's it.
pa.
빼하고 러송 inala 투지체. Very good.
Dictionary.
That's it. That's it. Very good. We did very well. Now let's see here. Sa. You see here. Ako semua di sa re. Di sa re. Ako semua di ra re. Me ra. Ra. Ako semua sa ra. Me. Ah ma. Ama. Ama. 빼요. 얘네들 파. 좋아. 파. That's it. 빼고도 도대체. Yeah, let's try. You can either draw it or whatever you want to do. I will suggest not to translate it because it will harm you. Okay? You will only know the translated language. You will not learn the Tibetan. Akosuma. It will deceive you, make you think like you understood, but you didn't. So don't translate it. Okay? Sa ra ama ha. That's it. So yeah, then Mariana la inda. Yeah, try inda. Mariana la.
Lasso. Sa.
Fail.
Ra. Ama.
Fail.
Pa.
Fail guloson. Tujiche Mariana la. We can imitate
Lasso.
yourself. Okay? Fail guloson. Tujiche. So Tineya sonam dolkarla inda. Sonam dolkarla. Try shigimbe.
Yes. Sa, ra,
Fail.
amma,
Fail.
pa,
Fail. Fail. Hola.
pa,
Pa.
pa.
Fail sonson. Tujiche sonam dolkarla. Olgala inda. Olgala. Try shida.
Sa, amma, pa.
Fail. That's it. Fail sonson. Tujiche. Very good. So we did very well. Hola. Taya inda. Let's try this. Katerina la inda. Katerina la di karere.
Di sa.
That's it. Di sa re. That's it.
Sa.
Fair.
Di sa. 네.
Fair. Tujiche. Katerina la.
就是
Ne Roshni sen la inda. Roshni sen la. Di karere.
Rashidale, I actually joined in a little late, so I
Oh,
just joined in 5 minutes ago, so I missed the first part.
okay. No,
Sorry.
okay. You can repeat after me. Ra. Ra.
Ra,
Ra. Meh. That's it. Okay?
ra,
That's it. 빼하고 투지치. Okay?
tukjache.
알았어. 되네, 야. 어, 마일라인다. 마일라, 니 가리래. 마일라, you wanna try? Yeah, let's say, Juanita. 원래, 다시들에, 마일라, 온다.
빠.
니 가리래?
빠.
니 바레스. 빼하고. 알았어. 되네, 원니따라, 공수래.
Ma,
아마.
ama.
That's it. 빼하고. That's it. Very good. We did well. Lasso. Okay. Now let's try reading them one by one. Okay? Repeat after me. You can. Ha! Ah. Ah. Sa. Ra. Ma. Pa. Ah. Right? Sa. Ha. Ah. Pa. Ma. Ra. Ha. Very good. Hmm? You can imitate me, Akosma. That's the best way for learning language. Okay? Hmm? Then here, I will introduce here today, we have 4 vowels. Okay? You see here this shape. We call them kiku, kiku, kiku. Okay? You can take note this down. Write this shape down. We call them kiku, kiku. Okay? And it makes E sound. Kiku, E. Hmm? Okay? Kiku, E. That's it. Kiku is the name, and effect is E sound. Okay? Hmm? That's it. Kiku. That's it. Then we have here Shapku, Shapku, Shapku. Hmm? We call it Shapku. Hola. Okay? Then we have here, not same as Kiku, it has no hook here. You see this line? We call this Dengpo, Dengpo, Dengpo. Hmm? Okay? Dengpo. Then we have here like a eagle flying from far away. Hmm? You see this shape? We call it Naro, Naro, Naro. Hmm? So here, Kiku makes E sound. Shabkyu makes oo sound. Okay? Oo, oo. Hmm? That's it. Shabkyu, oo. Kiku, E. Shabkyu, oo. Hmm? Then we have here Dengpo, A. Dengpo. Hmm? Like this. Then we have here Naro, O. Naro, O. Like this. It makes O sound. Then we attach this with the alphabet and we get sound. For example, we learned Sa. I will add Sa with the Naro. Sa, Naro, So. Like this. Now you see how it affects the sound. Right now we have here Ah. So we will go with the Ah. Okay? Ah. Kiku. I. Ah. Kiku. I. Hmm? Ah. Kiku. I. Hmm? Ah. Shabkyu. U. Hmm? Ah. Dengpo. Eh. Ah. Naro. Oh. Hmm? Right now we see the main letter is Ah. You can change it to anyone. Let's take Ra. Ra. Kiku. Ri. Ra. Shabkyu. Ru. Ra. Dengpo. Re. Ra. Naro. Ro. Royopot. Like this. Ro. So we see how it does affect the sound with the vowel. Akosma. We have here 4 vowels. Akosma. Kiku, Shapkyu, Dengpo, Naro. That's it. Okay. So this we already know. 하거든요. Okay, now let's try. Yeah. Try in the. If make mistake, no problem. 하거든요. It's better make mistake. Ana wakla in the. Try in the. Ana wakla. Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Dilogrona. Lasso.
Okay. Naro. Gigugi. Tempo shapku u.
빼하고. 도지치. Ana wakla. That's it. Then, yeah, Roshni Senra in the. Roshni Senra. Roshni Senra. Try Chedan.
I can't identify all the letters. Can you
Okay,
tell me the consonant?
yes, this is Ra. Ra. Me. You learned that. Ruba?
Ah. Ra. Okay, I forgot already. This is
Shapku. Shapku.
Shapku. Ra, Shapku. Sorry, I just forgot.
No problem. No
That
problem.
is Naro. The next one is Naro, I remember.
Where? Di Kikure. Di Dengpore. No problem. Rosnila. You can.
Shapku is
Shapku.
U.
That's it.
Okay, so Ru.
Ra. Shapku. Ru. That's
Ru. Then Ra, Naro, Ro.
That's it. Pero.
Ra, Giku, Ri.
That's it.
Ra, Tempo, Re.
That's it. You got it.
Okay.
Pero.
Tujhe.
So I will suggest you to watch the video, and the beginning part was very important one. Okay, Roshni Senla.
Right.
So you need to watch it again also. Agosma, Raso, Tujiche.
Lasso, Tujhe.
Yeah, dine Helgela in the Helgela. Helgela try Cheruna.
I'm gonna try. The first one, this is Ma, isn't it? This root syllable or
Mare.
yeah, Ma, yeah. Ma, Shapke Mu,
Pero.
Ma, Kikumi.
Kiku Mare di Dengpore.
Oh no, not Kiku, Denkpo. Ma Denkpo Me. And there we have Ma Kikumi.
Pero.
And this is Ma. Ma Narumo.
That's it. That's it. Pero. Helgela Tujiche. Very good. Raso. Pero song. Dine ya. Sherab Wangmola in the Sherab Wangmola. Try chicken.
Pa Sumchupo. Pa Rinpo Pe.
Dengpo
Pa
Mare.
Naropo. Ma. Pa Kikuki. Pa Naropo. Pa Rinpo Pe.
Pero. Pa Dengpo Pe. Pero. That's it. We got it. Lasso. Tujiche. Dine ya Fang la in the Fang la. Try chitan. Fang la. Let's try this.
Sa Dengpo Se.
Pero.
Sa Shapku Su.
That's it.
Sa Kiku Si. Sa Naroso.
That's it. Very good. Lasso Tujiche. Dine ya Pedro la in the Pedro la. Try imbe.
Hello. 파. 파, 차큐, 푸.
빼하고.
파, 키쿠, 키. 파, 키쿠. 파, 키쿠, 피.
That's it.
파, 나로, 포.
빼하고.
파, 댕포, 페.
빼하고. 투지치. Pedrola has pronounced pa very well. 하고 순간 빼하고.
Thank you.
투지치 Pedrola. Thank you.
Thank
That's it. So now we can see how the vowels affect. 하고 순간 very easy. 빼하고 두 클라스. Okay, now we have here. Sa, naro, so. So. You can see my yellow teeth here. 하고 sa, naro, so. Like this. Here. You can point a finger to it. Okay? Sa, naro, so. Draw it. Lasso. Then we have here. Yeah. Ruyun huila in the. Let's try this one.
Ra, kiku, ri.
That's it. Ra, kikuri. Himalaya ri. Ri. Ako sunga? Ri. Ri. That's it. So. Ri. That's it. Then we have here. Let's try. Yeah. Mickey and Rinzin in the. Yeah. Try it.
Ma, dembo, me.
That's it. Ma, tempo, me. Any fire, okay? Me. Me. There. Very good.
Can Mickey say the next one?
Yes, please.
A, Shapchu, U.
That's it. A, shakyu, pu.
Thank you. Regina.
That's it. As we can see here. Sa, naro, so. Ra, kiku, ri. Ma, dengpo, me. Pa, shakyu, pu. Can mean boy or male, both. Ako suna, pu. Right? Fair. Very good. So, tade dua de. Sa, naro, so. Ra, kiku, ri. Ma, dengpo, me. Pa, shapkyu, pu. Very good. Baso. Very good. Yeah, tene. Jutarat has champul in the.
Yes.
Di karere.
Ra,
Di karere.
ri,
Kongsure.
ama.
Tujiche. Lasso. That's it. Norbu Sampella in the Norbu Sampella. Di karere. Norpu Sambela, Tashidelek. Norpu Sambela, Yosamale. Tene Candy Sky, Lainda. Candy Sky, la, try chigimbe.
Me.
Pego. Di Karire.
Sa.
Pego. Di.
So. So.
No, so.
No.
Mhm.
It is
So.
sa narrow so.
That's it. Because sa, narrow, so, not so, like this. Okay? So you can see so, like this. Agorma.
So.
That's it. Sa, narrow, so. That's it. Peago. Tujiche, Candisla. Lasso. Yeah, dene, di in the Francoisla in the Francoisla. Unmute, Sharona. Can you unmute?
Is that me?
Yes.
Okay. Which line? Okay. Poo.
Very good.
Amma.
Hmm?
Amma. Sa. Is it sa? No. Let me see. Ra. Ra. Sorry.
Ra.
Ra.
It very well. Pronounce it very well. Tujichi. Thank you. Teleya 6300 la in the 6600 la. Unmute. 663000808 la in the.
Yes, sir. So.
Peago. Di.
3.
Peago. Di.
Me.
That's it. Peago Sunson. Tujichi. Thank you very much. That's all. Edwa. Sa. Ra. Kiku. Ri. Ma. Ama. Sa. Naro. So. Ra. Ma. Tempo. Me. That's it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. The name Bruce La in the Bruce La. Di Karire, Bruce La. Pego. Di Karire, Bruce La.
Ra.
Di. Di. That's it. Tujichi. Bruce La, thank you. Yeah, Dawala in the Dawala. Di Karire.
Q.
That's it. Di.
Kiku. I.
Lamni.
Kiku. I.
That's it.
Jimbo. Jimbo.
That's it.
U.
That's it. Pego Sunson. Tujichi. Dawala.
Tujichi.
Lasso. Yeah, teni Olga la in the try chimbe. Olga la. Di Karire.
Ri.
Pego. Ra. Kiku. Ri.
Ra. Kiku. Ri.
That's it. Pego. Di Karire.
Olga. Para.
Dede. Olga la. Di Lorona.
Narro.
That's it.
Shapku. U.
That's it.
What is this?
Mare.
Ma. Ma.
Mare.
Ma. Ma. Naro. Ma. Naro. Mo.
That's it. Because it's category, right? Ma, naro, mo. That's it. Agosuma, very good. You did very well. Tujiche. Thank you. Yeah, Norbu Sambela, try Chigimbe. Norbu Sambela, are you there? Yeah, Roshni Senla inda. Roshni Senla. Inda. Try it. Let's try. Roshni la. Hello.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah, again, the consonant, if you can tell me.
So, sa.
Sa. Sa. Shabku. Su.
That's it. Sa, shabku, su.
Sa. Shabku. Su.
That's it. That's all.
Naro. O.
That's it.
This is the same one, sa. 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 Naro. So.
That's it. Sa, naru, so. That's it. There.
Sa. Naro. So.
Very good. Lasso.
That's
it. So I will stop here today. Earlier, 5 minutes. Okay? Not to learn so much. This much is okay. So if you have any question, you can ask me now. That's it.
Is the recording also going to be available since I missed the first 15 minutes?
I will put the Google Drive link in the group chat information. Then you can click the link and view the video of the lessons. I will also send the video link in the chat also. That's it. Yes.
What means Sangerinda?
What?
I heard you say Sangerinda. What was it? Is it the name of someone maybe? Or
No, I think I don't understand what you are saying.
Okay, I was wondering. And okay, never mind. And I have another question. And you mentioned Sarema Bagazanida.
Yes. I was just making it funny.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
that's all. That's it. Thank you.
That's all. Any question?
Will we have class on Thursday?
What was the announcement? Thursday. Yes, we have class on Thursday. So usually we start on Tuesday and then Thursday. But because today is starting day, so I want to start today. And we will see you in the next Thursday. After that, we start from Tuesday. Okay?
Same time?
Same time, yes.
Okay, thank you.
That's all. That's it.
Do you have any book?
Oh, very nice. I will show you how to open this book in the video right now. Just you can just open a new Google and you can write A-R-A ARAPATSA.org. Okay? Then you press enter. Boom. You will see this. Or you can just, okay? If you .org, you will come to this page directly. arapatsa.org is the mantra if you have heard it. Arapatsa nadididididi. Om arapatsa nadididi. That's one. arapatsa.org. Then you will come to this page. Then you go down. You find here pre-A1. Okay? Pre-A1. Press this. Then you will come like this. Then press View Course. Okay? Then you will see bunch of Tibetan letters here. Press on the first blue link. You see, go down a little bit. You will see here all the lessons here. So you don't need to press on any link. Just go to the next button here. You will see the arrow here. Go to the next. You will see the first page with it. Practice it. Go to the next, next, like this. So I have shown you how to open this book. Please study it. Don't study too much. Don't make yourself bored with this. Little bit touch every day. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. If you do this, you can speak in 3 months and write and read. Okay? Because I did it with my previous group and it was my first time with a huge group. We did very well. If you follow this, every day 10 minutes, writing, reading, that's it. 10 minutes. That's it.
Teacher.
The question. Lasso. Then I will stop here. Please have a nice day. Lasso. And Rashid,
Thank you.
Guten Rashid.
Thank you.
Bye.
Lasso.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you very
God
much.
bless you.
Take
Lasso.
Otsugla Rashid.
Lasso. Rashid Dalek. Boom boom shakalaka. Lasso.
사실은
다시제레
Boom boom shagala.
Otsangla.
That's it.
샘자난고
Otsangla Rashid.